What are you gonna do with the chickens?
Say hi.
Say hi to the chickens.
Hi, chickens. Love you. Are you doing good today?
Chicken, chicken. What are you gonna say to the chickens?
Oh, I see you. Are you walking? That's what's this baby twin you're having. And of course, you live in a pond.
Oh, look, he bit the phone.
Love you.
He bit the phone. Come and get the food. Come on, bite. Come and get the new order.
Bite.
Let's try this one. Chicken, chicken.
What is?
Chicken, chicken.
Watch this.
Let's go see the duck. Hey, Mr. Duck. What's that? What'd you say? Mr. Duck.
Good job, Duck.
Look, his tail's wagging too.
Good job. You gotta watch out of this duck. He's hungry.